Hello everyone, this is Faiza Basi from Packages Group Communications team. I have attended this 4 days leadership program and it was a wonderful experience. Mr. Kamil and Ms. Zainab brought so much depth through their own experiences which helped us in many ways that are going to stay with us. It pushed us to reflect and connect with the learning on a deeper level. As they say, people may forget what you said, but they never forget how you made them feel. Thank you.
So this 4-day training women leadership program was a wonderful experience. In the start, I thought that it was going to be like the other trainings that are there. You have to sit and just have to listen. However, it was very much putting everything into practice and very much relatable to how what we are experiencing in our daily lives, and very much connected to maybe personally to what I am going through as a leader during my office work. And it helped me to gauge a lot of different situations in a very different perspective.
Hi, I attended the She Lead training. The training was very much engaging, very much insightful. The best part about the training was that they were not just introducing concepts, but they were through live demonstration and examples. They were telling how to implement them. So good luck.
My perception has totally changed about so many things which I was following previously, like the commitments towards my work, and how to respond, how to react when communicating with people. And I think this thing will definitely change my style of working, and also how to lead a team, because I'm leading a team already. So it's really make a big difference for me, that I feel confident more, and I think I will follow the process forever, so that I can be a better person.
And we took this training and honestly बहुत हमने enjoy किया है, और जिस तरीके से एक पर्सपेक्टिव है वो हमारा प्रॉपर चेंज हो गया. जो ट्रेनिंग्स हमें लगता है बहुत बोर होती हैं, और इस ट्रेनिंग में स्पेसिफिकली हम 1% भी आई थिंक हम बोल सकते हैं कि हम बोर नहीं हुए हैं, और लाइफ चेंजिंग एक्सपीरियंस है, और ये हम अपने करियर में और इवन पर्सनल लाइफ में भी जो है अप्लाई करेंगे, और बहुत हमें एंजॉय किया हमने. एंड थैंक यू सो मच ज़ैनब एंड कामिल.
Okay, I love the content, the way the trainers delivered all 4 days. They were really amazing, and because I really feel the way the content is delivered really matters, because that's how it stays with us throughout our lives. And the content was well planned, such that it will help us not only in our personal but professional life. And special shout out to Kamil and Zainab for putting so much effort. The effort they put behind the scenes, the thoughtfulness was very well witnessed during the sessions. Thank you.
It has been a very transformative journey with the Lifeline and the team. I would like to thank the trainers for making these 4-day She Lead leadership training so much engaging and insightful for all of us here. And I am leaving with a very renewed sense of achievement, better confidence, and deeper belief in me, especially the leader in me. Thank you very much, Khudafez.
Hi, I'm Maha Rizvi from Huxt Pakistan Limited. So we had this 4 days training of She Leads, where we actually unlocked a lot of potentials in these 4 days. I feel like we've learned so many things that we couldn't ever imagine of learning. So special thanks to Kamil and Zainab. We had so much fun. Thank you so much.
बाकी में काफ़ी डिफरेंट इनका प्रोग्राम है. इनकी जो ट्रेनिंग्स जो है वो एज़ कम्पेयर टू अदर ट्रेनिंग काफ़ी डिफरेंट है. एज़ बेसिकली इनमें जो है वो काफ़ी हमने एक्टिविटी कर जो है ना चीज़ों को अंडरस्टैंड किया है. तो बासों का ऐसा होता है कि हम ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं, चीज़ों को पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन फॉर द टाइम बिंग वो हमारे माइंड से जाती रहती है. लेकिन इनके हर टॉपिक के बाद उसकी एक प्रैक्टिकल हमने एक्टिविटी करके परफॉर्म किया है. तो आई रियली लाइक एंड आई रियली एंजॉय दिस ट्रेनिंग.
This is Mark Najam. I recently completed the 4 days She Leads program, which was very transformative. It gives me practical tools to apply immediately. It gives me self-confidence, self-awareness, and now I am ready to lead with good impact. I would like to thank you to the Lifeline trainers for creating such an inspiring and amazing experience.
This experience is something else for me because I have found a very eye-opening experience, and I think it will be a head start for my career. And thank you to the team for engaging us so much that we have enjoyed all the 4 days.
So I've been part of the She Leads training program. The past 4 days we've engaged in exciting activities, and I can't wait to apply whatever I've learned in the program in practical life. Thank you so much, Kamil and Zainab.
First of all, I would like to thank Packages Group for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this amazing, very informative and deliberative training session. So, secondly, I would like to thank Zainab and Kamil कि आप लोगों ने इतनी अच्छी हमारी ट्रेनिंग की, the life plan as well.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, दिस इज़ तुबा अफजल फ्रॉम ट्राईपैक और मैं यहाँ पर एक ट्रेनिंग का हिस्सा हूँ जो 4 डेज़ की ट्रेनिंग थी शी लीड्स पर, और मैं ज़ैनब और कामिल के साथ जो कि बहुत अच्छे ट्रेनर्स हैं, और यहाँ पर हम लोग बहुत कुछ सीख रहे हैं एज अ लीडरशिप, जो कि हमारे आगे हमारे डेली रूटीन में बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक फील करवा रहा है हमें. हमने बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेमवर्क्स भी सीखे हैं जो कि इट विल यूटिलाइज इन आवर डेली लाइफ. So thank you so much Zainab, thank you so much Kamil for this lovely training.
Hi, my name is Roma Pahuja, and now since 4 days we are attending this She Leads program. Starting from self-awareness to communication with others, knowing yourself, your enemies, and defeating them is what I learned in these 4 programs, and which made me think that now how I will create as impact in my organization as a leader. Thank you so much to the trainers. It was a wonderful program and a great transformation.
अच्छा, ये हमारे लिए ना ये सेशन जो है वो एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट सेशन रहा है. ये एक हमारी लाइफ का गेम चेंजर रहा है. मतलब बहुत सारे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हमारे दिमाग में थे जो कि हमारे से क्लियर नहीं होते थे, लेकिन इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके ना हमें उस चीज़ों में क्लियरेंस मिली है कि हम अपने अंदर से हमारे अंदर क्या है, हमारे अंदर हम किस चीज़ को प्रेजेंट करके जो ना अपनी लाइफस्टाइल को बेटर कर सकते हैं, ऑफिशियल लाइफ को बेटर कर सकते हैं, अपनी लाइफ में बैलेंस ला सकते हैं, अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज़ को सामने ला सकते हैं.
I came here for the program known as She Leads, and it's an outstanding. Zainab and Kamil just did a great work. The high energy on the floor, appreciated. I love the work. I love the training. It's outstanding. Thank you.
Thank you so much Zainab and Kamil. इतना अच्छा सेशन अरेंज करने के लिए, and keep it up and keep continue this momentum, and please come back again.